Hi, welcome to Magnus Drones. I'm Jim. Thanks for finding my channel. And if you're a subscriber, I always want to say thank you for staying with me. Today, I want to show pilots how to adjust the gimbal settings so that you can fine-tune the sensitivity of your sticks. I wanted to do that to smooth out my cinematic flights and just try to get a little smoother behavior when I'm trying to make turns and adjustments to get a more of a smoother shot. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Then we're going to go to Control. Let's tap Control. And then you'll see below the display zoom the gain and Expo tuning. So let's tap on gain and Expo tuning. You can see across the top there's three modes for the drone: Cine, Normal, and Sport. The default settings, any adjustments you make, are separate for each flight mode of the drone. So you're going to want to go into them individually and make any adjustments that you want to make. For time's sake, I've listed my settings, and you can compare these to your default settings or settings that maybe you've previously made. Now note that each drone has different flight characteristics, so each drone should be adjusted to suit the needs of the drone. And as you scroll down, you can see the different settings for the aircraft, and then it finishes with the settings that you can make on your camera gimbal.